Hey folks, Andy here with Nyarai from It's a Small World. So this is a lodge in Harare that Forward dropped me off last night just so that I could have a wash, get myself together after all of the flights before we set off north to Karoi to see Gifchigede. And yeah, I'm relaxed and I feel welcome here.
Welcome to the small world.
Amy and Tafadzwa Matamba are here, Mbira players from Canada, which is amazing. And you've had Mbira players and musicians stay here.
We have hosted artists of all types, Mbira players, traditional music players. It's a crazy small world here. Everybody comes around to this place.
I'm feeling it. And then I just got chatting to you this morning. I said what I was doing, and you were like, "Oh, can we sort a car out for you?" I'm like, "I've already got the car." Are you going to this place and this place? And I'm like, if I hadn't have already planned so much of what I was doing, I feel like I could just turn up here and these guys would sort me out with cars.
Oh, we heard, the name small, it's a small world. We can connect you right across Zimbabwe because nothing is too big for us to do. We could pick you up at the airport, have you in a space here. We could take you to Bulawayo, we could take you to Vumba. We've got spaces that you can stay in, Mavuradona, all the wonderful places.
There's other accommodations around Zimbabwe that
belong to Small World.
Belong to Small World.
Yeah.
So what a great find, day one, and I'm already hitting you up with the travel tips if you were organising your own thing. So everything's going well so far, and thanks so much. I'm going to order my breakfast in a minute. There's all sorts of breakfast options.
We also make breakfast, we make lunch, we make dinner, we make your stay comfortable.
I've had a shower, I've got the Wi-Fi, yeah, so nice things around the place, nice sculptures, things. And I'll finish off on the bits that you can Google or type in for your socials. Enjoy everybody, get in touch with It's a Small Lodge if you're planning your own trips.